Stop it.
He's horny. Right after surgery? Are you kidding?
Кому сказала, нельзя! Морти! Морти!
Ladies and gentlemen, the one, the only, Muhammad Ali. Dun, 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 rising up.
Hey!
What are you doing?
I don't understand. Why are you being so mean? Yeah. Dancing in my room, swaying my feet, trying to get you love and a kiss on the cheek.
Watch if I don't watch.
She just took a piece.
Yeah, she's a babe.
This is not my cat. This is not my cat. Why is he wagging? Okay.
Kermit says he doesn't like me anymore. Is this true?
Pick up the cat, Josh.
Huh?
Get her on
Pick her up and move her.
No.
Get her. Pick her up. Josh, don't be a wimp.
I don't want to get bit.
If you grab her,
She's still gonna bite me.
she's not. Go.
Get up. Get up. Get up. Joshua, just come here. You pick her up. Then. It was that easy.
It's okay. It's okay. You're big.
What? She didn't bite you.
Aww, you're so cute. You're mine.
He hates it. I'm trying to get her used to it. I can take you outside. So I can take you outside.
I fell down.
Look at those paws.
Jesus.
Snake. I'm a snake.
Посмотрите на него. Вот я мне вот это мое. Я хочу взять свои бананы, он мне не дает.
Что ты делаешь?
Yeah. I mean, sorry, the cats are doing something stupid again, and that's just life. Yeah, so, I mean...
Bro, that is not okay. You know you can't be happening. Kaya! She can't find it.
Shark, you hungry?
So it's Saturday morning and it's windy. My Loki boy just ran. Hey, it's snowing big time. You want to be in there? I told you.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Huh?
I just have one thing to say.
Hi, excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's new.
I just have one thing to say.
Piggy dipping! Piggy dipping at the piggy pond!
He smells it. Stare at your pictures for hours on end. 7. Dreaming, fantasizing, holding on, feeling my hands.
Ai! Ai, que susto! Você quase que me mata de susto!
He has no rules, no boundaries. He doesn't flinch at torture, human trafficking, or genocide.
Meow.
Depends. Is it night? Can I see? Huh?
Manjo, iku. Meow meow.
Hello, this is my house. This is Sakana. He's my friend. Let's
Do jeito que hoje eu tô zangado aqui pra me quebrar uma mesa bem.
You shouldn't be up there, should you?